My name is Taylor Ware. I'm the inventor and co-founder of the Slidewire. I'm excited to share with you today this new innovation to the power extension cord and the power strip. With Slidewire, the hassle of sharing an outlet is a thing of the past. Slidewire gives you the ability to have the freedom of multiple plugs, not only in one area, but anywhere on the body of the cable. One of the coolest things in this process was how the idea came to me, and I'd love to share that with you. So I used to be a part owner of a construction company, and we refinished kitchens and bathrooms. I was in my shop cleaning up a mess. It was very, very late at night, like 2 a.m. in the morning. Finally finished with the job. I look over to plug in my shop vac to vacuum up this mess. And in that moment, I'm thinking to myself, I just want to plug this plug into the extension cord that's running right next to me. There's no reason why these electrons that are flowing should not be plugging into my vacuum cleaner. The ability to tap in, move, access power on an extension cord, anywhere on the cord, should be a thing, is a thing. Let's go find it. It's not a thing. I decided to take action. I literally built this product in my kitchen. The first step was going out on a limb and purchasing a 3D printer. The innovation process was a very humbling process. This right here is the first prototype. It's massive, and I was very, very proud of it. I literally had like a dance party in my living room whenever I finished this piece. I thought this was it, right? No idea that 82 versions later, we have our product that's on Kickstarter. So now I'm at a position where I've lined up all the channels, all the manufacturers, all of the support needed to not only bring this concept into reality, but also I'm going to be able to bring it to you, the backers. Slidewire is going to be a little bit more expensive on the retail shelves than what you guys have the opportunity to take advantage of right now. Because we know you guys are going out on a limb to support our company. So we want to bring this product to you at the most competitive price that we're physically able to do. We believe that presenting this at an additional discounted rate is the best way to say thank you. The Slidewire is surprising me every day. I'm using it in ways I never intended, never thought that it would be used for. I really think that everyone can benefit from this. If you have a phone, or you have a desk, or you have a house, if you use electricity in your life, this is going to serve you well.